Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Welcome back to a new video, and forgive the audio. What the fuck? And welcome back to the channel, everybody. Welcome back to a new video, and today we're going to talk about the video that Racer X did yesterday about the gentleman who bought a car from a Texas dealership, and he lives in California, and he got the car, and the car is a 49 state car. And I happen to have unique experience with dealing with that situation, as so many of you commented on Racer X's video about that, and so many of you messaged me and emailed me, and ultimately I did comment and said I can help. And the gentleman, the buyer of that car, reached out to me, and we talked, and we are working together on a solution. And I think that we might have one. We might have him close to the finish line and having a solution, but the dealership's still playing I don't want to talk to you dance, and I want to help him nudge that dealership forward, because I'm not looking at blasting them right now, not looking at incinerating them online at this point, even though based on what they've done so far and how they've handled this, they absolutely should be roasted TK style online on YouTube for what they've done, how they've treated this buyer of this dream car that he's always wanted. And I think we should let him know. We should shoot one across the bow and let him know that we're about to do an entire video series on their dealership. TK will certainly go to their reviews and do a full-on review. Does that make sense? Anyways, he'll read the reviews and dig into them like they've never been dug into before, and if there's something out there bad, he's going to find it, and we will expose them for the horrendous service that they have provided to this fellow Mopar lover and part of the Brotherhood. So I wanted to call him right now, see if he's willing to have a conversation and just share a little bit of the information about what's going on, and let you all listen to the conversation and prepare for, if they don't do the right thing after seeing this video, that it is on like Donkey Kong. We are going to go ham on them for not taking care of them. And I don't want to do that. Although I get tons of views and get tons of likes and clicks and comments, and my channel would grow and subscribers would grow, I am going to make a plea to this dealership to please don't help me grow my channel. Please don't do the wrong thing here, which will ultimately help me get way more views, grow my monetization, grow my pocketbook, help me get more viewers, more subscribers. Don't do that. Stop me in my tracks. Stop TK and Butter and all the others in their tracks, and just get on the phone with this gentleman and do the right damn thing. That's how business is run. Don't put on your website and make yourself out to being this great God-fearing human being as the owner of the dealership, and then ignore your customers. Call them back and solve the problem. Let's try to call that buyer real quick and have a conversation. Hey, you there?
I am indeed. How you doing?
Good. I just want to do a video with you real quick. So this is being recorded. I'm going to put it online and share it with all the subscribers. I got 8 billion messages and a lot of comments from Racer X's video yesterday, and then you reached out to me, and we've been talking last night for an hour, like 3 times today, and I wanted to just make sure everybody knows that, one, I'm on your side, and I am absolutely committed to helping you work through this, and I think we found a few pretty good solutions, but you're working with the dealership to try to get this thing squared away, and I just wanted to give you a chance to just share what happened real quick and where you're at, and that I think you would agree, nobody wants to go incinerate this dealership. You just want things to get solved, right?
Yeah, 100%. So at this stage, I'm literally just trying to drive the car, get this thing registered in California, be happy, walk away and shake hands. But with over 100 emails, calls, reaching out from top to bottom, from sales manager, the president, the owner of the dealership, it's been completely pretty much blank. I don't want to talk poorly on Stellantis. I've reached out to those guys as well multiple times. You might get a response every 2 or 3 weeks. Nothing ever happens. So I'm pretty much still in the same situation here with a bunch of chaos and sitting on the car gathering dust in your garage that's going to sit there until this gets solved, you know?
Yeah. So basically, you bought a car in Texas. You did what a lot of us do: dodge the markups, find the car you love, the spec you wanted. Which, by the way, I saw a picture of your car, and it's utterly gorgeous. And thanks for sending it. Can I share that on my video? Because it's a beautiful car. I'll just put a picture of it.
Yeah, sure. Why not?
It's freaking gorgeous. I mean, you spec'd it out beautifully. So it's the one you wanted. You got the car PPF'd. You went to like the best PPF place. I know these guys at Protective Film Solutions, and spent a fortune. And then you found out that it's got the 49 state sticker, and then you reached out to the dealership, and it's been a total clown show since then.
Yeah, that's when things took a major dark turn, where these folks at the beginning during the deal, you know, they were somewhat nice. We got the deal done. But once I kind of brought this to their attention, they were like, oh, we don't know about this. And during the deal, I specifically asked, like, how often do you guys ship cars to California? They made it sound like, oh, we ship cars probably 2 or 3 times a month, the big market there, you know, we send a bunch of trucks out there in so-and-so a month. I'm like, okay, so I kind of trusted their words. This car would be fine, good to go. Lo and behold, it's not. And it's been completely darkness since then, just chasing up a drain pipe at this stage.
Yeah, that's unbelievable. So hopefully, and my hope is this video helps. I did tell you to email him yesterday, and you've sent some very professional emails and letting them know that you've got a bunch of YouTubers willing to do video, that are begging to do videos and naming their dealership and going full freaking ham on them, and even going to the DMV or the motor vehicle department and even the local news stations. And they were still quiet. But you've got one guy in the dealership trying to help you right now, it feels like. So I just thought we would do this at the very least so they know, like, yes, I would love to do a full-blown video. I'm sure TK would love to dig into their dealership and their practices. Butter would do a video. We'd go all over them. But we don't want that. All you want, and all we want, is them to help resolve this situation and not go dark and send you an email saying, for legal reasons, we're not going to talk to you. That's ridiculous.
100%. And just to kind of share as well, like, I have no intentions of, when you buy a car, the last thing you're going to be doing is like having to talk to an attorney about anything or chase up the DMV. You literally just want to buy your car, drive it, move on, be happy, shake hands, and pretty much write a review on how good the process was. But again, I'll go back into a great situation that looked like it on the front end has turned into an absolute disaster / nightmare on the back end.
Yep. It's just sad because I know how much you love that car. This is not how it should be. Well, like I told you last night and today, I've got you completely set up if you want with my attorney. He is a vicious, nasty shark. There's no chance for him to ever go to heaven for the things that he's done to people. And he's the guy that you want if you want to torture the living daylights out of somebody for doing you wrong. But he's also the person you don't want to bring in, because once you bring him in, there's no going back, and he will make their life a living hell for quite a long time. So I think we all want nothing more than just them doing the right thing, help you get through the finish line, like frankly my dealership did. And I'll give Napletons at the time credit, because they worked with me through. They never went dark on me. Yes, they didn't know what the hell to do, but they never cut me off. And ultimately, sadly, they had to buy the car back. You may be able to get through this without having to go through that, but nonetheless, I want to help you get to the other side. So hopefully by next week we'll get there, and hopefully this video helps let them know that yes, we're all chomping at the bit, because this is an unjust situation that you don't deserve to go through. So I appreciate you taking the time to do the call. And for everybody else out there, if you buy a car out of state, make sure, and if you live in California, make sure it's a 50-state car, or you're going to have some brain damage.
Definitely burned some brain cells on this one. That's 100%.
Yeah. Well, hang in there. Thanks for doing this, and let me know what's going on, and none of us will leave you out in the cold.
Brilliant. Thanks very much, Brad. Appreciate it.
Take care. All right. Talk to you tomorrow. All right. Bye. All right, everybody. So that's what's going on. Yes, I'm involved. Yes, I'm going to help all that I can. And I know that the rest of the YouTubers, TK and Butter and all them, they'll jump in, but we don't want that. All we want, and I know it's like, sure you do. That's why you're doing this video. I'm doing this video because literally my Instagram's blowing up and my email's blowing up because everybody's saying, can you help this guy? Yes, I am absolutely helping this guy. I got on the phone with him last night, and he emailed me after seeing Racer X's video, and I'm not going to leave him out in the cold. We're going to get him to the finish line, and hopefully the outcome is better than mine, and he gets to keep his dream, beautiful car and enjoy it for many years to come. And yes, I will set him up with my nasty lawyer, who's also a dear friend, and probably one of the few lawyers that I love despite his sharkness. So with that, everybody, please like, subscribe, comment, and let us know, let me know, let TK, let Butter know, let Racer X know. By the way, Racer X, great job on the video, and thanks for jumping in. I know you hate this negative stuff, but this is why we do it. Because if we can save people from these horrible disasters, then there's at least something more than just making money on YouTube. It's actually doing good for the world, doing good for our fellow brotherhood in this Mopar universe. So you get that good, warm, fuzzy feeling while we're also able to make a little money and build our channels and achieve our dreams. So it's a win-win-win all the way around. Dealer, do the right thing. Take care of this gentleman. Fix this problem. Please like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.